Hi everyone, this is Darren Tay here, and in today's video I want to share with you what goes into a good speech. Now, exactly what are the key ingredients? Of course, if you ask different instructors, you ask different coaches, they're probably going to give you different answers as well. Now, my take as to what goes into a good speech, some of the key ingredients, well, they need to be there. So at the base, just think of it as an onion, right? So at the base of the onion, right in the middle, in the bulk of the onion, you have the content. So content, we always say it's really important. Some may say content is king, content is foundation. So think of it as content is the core. You can have the best of body language, hardly any pause fillers and all, but if you don't have good quality content, it's pretty much fluff, right? So good quality content comes from the excellent speech structure that you have for the different type of speech genres, and essentially how you put them together and synthesize the ideas to form a very coherent approach. Now, the next layer, like for an onion, the next layer would be that of choosing the right kind of words and pronouncing and enunciating them well enough. Thereafter, we talk about vocal variety. So meaning to say you can choose the best of words, you have the great content, but if the way in which you use your voice is not as captivating enough, then it's probably not going to do justice to an otherwise excellent speech content that you have crafted, right? Now, after vocal variety, you will then layer it with body language, your non-verbal communication cues, things like your eye contact anchoring, eye contact distribution, the use of complementary gestures, the use of stage positioning, so on and so forth. So these are the multi-layers that you need to take note of when you craft your next good presentation.